Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under, American Unboxing. And we've got this little one here, little canister. Colgate & Co. shaving stick. I don't know if what's in here is the original shaving stick or not. I'm just going to have to believe it is. Oh yeah, it says Colgate on the, can we get that? See that? Colgate. Wow. So, you know me, I'm going to be trying this at some stage to see what it's like. I had a chance to get another shave stick in a little canister like this on Australia eBay, and I just wasn't aggressive enough and lost. I sort of rue losing that. What have we got in here? Okay, yep, no worries. There's the other splash for the Noble Otter. Right, shaving brush, beater. Oh, there it is. Forgot all about this. Oh, it's synthetic. I bought this mainly for the handle. Nylon, 100% nylon, beater, sterilised. That's rough. I will give it a go though, but touching that, that's rough. It does splay all right though. So it's just an interesting brush. So I bought that. It's brand new by the looks. And yeah, if I don't like it, I'll keep the handle and replace the knot. The obvious one sitting on top. So VP 1878 to 1928. Here comes the cat again. Come on. Let's open this up. I'm a sucker for stuff that's been engraved. That almost looks like it's been punched into the case. I mean, yep, got it. Oh, well, it's empty. Don't know if I bought it and it was just empty, or you can see there that has been turned around. That's obviously come out. Yep. At some stage, both of them. We'll just leave that like that. What have we got here? All right, that's right. I'm going to be using, look at that, old single ring. But this case, I'm going to use it to house a single ring razor I've got, a gold one, but the handle is smooth. The barrel of the handle is smooth. So I'll use that to house it, and I've just got to find some appropriate blade banks. So we'll put that there. I see. This is a swing razor. Let me just come back in a sec. Just one moment. Okay. So recently I bought this. It's a swing razor. Bought it from Australia. I bit on one of these maybe earlier this year and just wasn't aggressive enough. And I thought I was just going to be an easy win. No one would be interested, and bang, it went off. Didn't go for huge money, but it went off more than I was expecting, and I missed it. So here's the handle, but the original base plate, as you can see there, it's broken. So Tom from America, from the United States, we did a bit of a swap. There was a Bakelite blade bank that come with this. I don't think it was actually part of it. And it was a green one, and he needed a green one, and I needed a base plate. So we have done a swap. So maybe that's probably where your blades went. I guess that's how that sat. Makes sense if it did. So yeah, look out for an upcoming shave video with the swing. And if anyone needs a swing handle, let me know. And I'll just let you have that just for the postage alone. Oh, this was opened by Border Force. No items have been removed by the Australian Border Force. Australia Post has opened your parcel or letter for inspection by the Australian Border Force. Blah, 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 blah. The Australian Border Force does this to stop imports of dangerous and prohibited items such as drugs, guns and other weapons. We may also hold goods until the right duty or taxes are paid. The Australian Border Force found nothing of concern in your parcel or letter and did not remove any items. What the hell's this? Anyway, there you go. Right, so we're right at the end. We've got one more unbox. Yeah, it looks like another soap. And it is. Whoa, nearly dropped it. Sandalwood shaving bowl, Crabtree and Evelyn. It's got the barcode there. I'm not sure how old this is. If anyone has any idea, please let me know in the comments. Out it comes. Doing everything I can. So a really nice bowl, typical shaped bowl. Very same as my other sandalwood, the True Fit and Heal. It's quite a nice design on there. And there's still some paper up you come. So there it is. Hasn't been used. Be nice to compare it to the True Fit and Heal. I'll probably just scrape from the bottom here, put into a bowl and see how it lathers up. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Not much in the way of razors, but a lot of soaps and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you own one of these, if you tried this stuff, or even if you own it, try it, or you know the age of this, what date span it would be. Where do we have? It's got a barcode, so it's When did Barcode start? The 80s? Late 80s? I can't remember. Or was it the 90s? So you think distributed 1978, Crabtree and Evelyn, so it's sometime after 1978. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, the unboxing, and hopefully you'll see me in a shave video coming up shortly. Okay, thanks for sticking around, and we'll chat again another time. Ciao for now.